Okay, so here's the original art. I don't know if you want all of that down there. I'm just going to take this off that whiteboard. And I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to select the entire thing. First thing I'm going to do is ungroup it. I'm using Control-Shift-G. I just do that a couple of times. I'm going to do a few cycles of this. Object, expand appearance. Object, expand. Okay, and I'm going to ungroup all of that again. Let me say object, expand again. And just ungroup all of that. Object, expand again until I don't get a dialog box. And that should do it. And that will give me every little piece of this in one big layer. And lots of sub-layers, but no subgroups. Looks like we still do, so ungroup those here. What is this? Oh, this is other stuff. Okay, so then I select all of it here in Pathfinder, which you can find in Window and Pathfinder. If it's not checked, just click that. It'll pop up. Select it all and do Divide. And that'll clip all these different shapes out. And then you just go into that group. You can, it's right here, you can select any piece of white, or even more simple, you can select it and then double click. That brings this bar up. It says you're in that group now, and it grays out everything else. And then I'll just select a piece of white, select same fill color, and delete. And I'll delete with my delete key, not the backspace key. So that's all that is. Looks like there's a kind of a weird line going through here. It shows it's there, but I'm not sure what that is. So simple. I'm gonna just take this N over here. Just make a copy of it. Just put it right over there. Let me use the big one, I guess. I'm gonna do the same thing. Just select all that and divide. Take that N away. Oops. Only the N, and there we go. And that's what I would do to get white space out. This is your friend, this divide button right here. But you have to make sure that all your shapes are expanded. So you're just selecting it, expand them, and then divide, and delete the color that don't want. That's basically it. Doing divide is like taking scissors to the entire design and making every single different color into its own shape, and then all the shapes and layers that were behind it get deleted, and so only what you see are the cuts that exist, and you can just delete the cuts you don't want, and that's how you get this this see-through. So I hope that's helpful. If you need any help, of course, obviously you can always ask me, but I thought this might be helpful for you to refer to.